Christmas is a time of joy, memories, and little miracles. Every decoration, every melody, and every tiny tradition has its own story. And today, we'll explore the moments that make Christmas magical. Throughout this journey, I'll gently guide you to reflect on your own memories, feelings, and traditions. Pause for a moment at each of these moments and let yourself be carried away by the atmosphere of Christmas, because it's these moments we remember forever. As children, we couldn't wait to see what awaited us under the tree. Gifts are an age-old symbol of connection and joy, small gestures that can spark big emotions. Gifts are not about their price, but about the feelings they bring: smiles, laughter, and surprise. Some people stroll through shopping centers searching for the perfect item, others click and order at the last minute. Some make them by hand, with love and patience. It doesn't matter how big or expensive they are. What matters is the feeling they create, and the joy you bring to others' hearts by giving. What was the most beautiful or biggest gift you ever received? Which gift from you brought the greatest joy to someone you love? Christmas trees are a symbol of life, light, and hope, bringing warmth and the magical atmosphere of Christmas into the home. Some choose a real tree, whose pine scent fills every corner, others an artificial one, which lasts for years and allows decorating according to their own imagination. Every tree is unique. Some add old family ornaments, others new baubles, lights, or decorations made with love. In the end, it doesn't matter the size or type of tree. What matters is that it brings joy and unites people in the magic of Christmas. Do you remember your most beautiful Christmas tree? Winter brings a unique atmosphere to Christmas: quiet, calm, and the magic of the moment. In some countries, houses are covered in snow; elsewhere, winter is felt through cold winds and long evenings. Every household experiences Christmas differently, but the feeling of peace, quiet, and magical mood remains the same. Which winter Christmas memory always brings a smile to your face? The first snow, building a snowman, sledding, or an evening by the lights? Christmas songs and stories are not just entertainment. They are an age-old symbol of tradition, connection, and joy. Carols set the rhythm and color of the holidays, echoing through streets, homes, and churches. Their tunes and words have been passed down from generation to generation. Today, Christmas stories and films are also part of the celebration, watched alone or with family. They remind us that Christmas is a time of shared magic and fairy tale moments. Which Christmas song do you sing every year? What is your favorite Christmas story or movie? Christmas lights and decorations are an age-old symbol of light in the darkness, hope, and joy, reminding us that even during the darkest days, light and warmth enter our homes. The first Christmas candles were used centuries ago on trees to symbolize the light of Christ or the winter solstice. Today, modern electric Christmas lights take their place, bringing the same charm and sense of safety. Houses glow with outdoor lights that illuminate the streets, while interiors are decorated with delicate fairy lights, creating intimacy and warmth at home. What Christmas lighting at your home do you remember most fondly? Crazy situations, bursts of laughter, and romantic moments, all these create memories you carry forever. From the first Christmas kiss, to unexpected funny surprises, to spontaneous moments of laughter caused by broken ornaments or messes from baking treats. Which Christmas was the craziest for you, and still makes you laugh? Christmas dinner is more than food. It is a ritual that connects the past with the present. Some serve carp, others turkey with family sauce. Every dish has its meaning. Carp: abundance, sweets, joy; gingerbread: hospitality. Some people fast until Christmas Eve dinner, but I remember that as a child, I tasted Christmas sweets and cookies from the morning. What is your favorite Christmas dish or treat that always reminds you of the holidays? Family and loved ones are the heart of Christmas. Every family has its own traditions. Some prepare old recipes passed down through generations, others read stories, or simply sit by the tree and recall tales that warm the heart. In these simple, everyday moments lies the true magic of Christmas, the feeling of belonging and being surrounded by people who matter to us. And what about you? What are your Christmas traditions, and which memory will you never forget? Christmas is not about expensive gifts, a big tree, or a perfectly set table. It's about love, the moments we spend with family and loved ones, the laughter, memories, and moments that stay in our hearts forever. I wish you lots of health, happiness, and love, and may every moment with those you care about remain forever in your heart.
'Cause you are here. Oh, this Christmas, I only wanna love to fly under the stars with you. There's no gift like it. There's nothing else to look for. Only you make my Christmas shine.